Hello, my name is Devin Bewley, and I researched depression counselors for my project. To start things off, what is a depression counselor? Depression counselors are responsible for treating any and all people dealing with depression. As such, their therapy is a lifeline to those in need. Depression counselors work in a variety of settings, since depression can hit anyone, anywhere. Some of these settings include hospitals, mental health clinics, crisis centers, rehabilitation centers, and pretty much anywhere else you can think of where depression might be an issue. Since depression affects people so deeply, the wounds often left by these feelings require therapy or medicine, and that is why we have depression counselors to help heal those in need. Required education to become a depression counselor would involve a PhD, and my 4-year plan relates to this in involving me in a series of psychology courses, which will get me the required courses to advance to a master's program. I am majoring in psychology because when I was little, I lost my dad, and I got a lot of help from the school guidance counselor. And I've been depressed multiple times in my life, and I've received lots of help to help me in my life, and I feel it would be very rewarding to help those in need and to have that be my career. My reasons for majoring in psychology compare with those of Chapter 13 because I actually want to be a professional psychologist slash social worker, and that is one of the main reasons that it lists on the page. So that's about it. Have a good day.